Hello everyone, I am NITYASHREE. First year CSC. Startup company name is Eternal Infinity. Product present name is Table. Product proposed name is EcoMag Table. Empathizing stage. Mentioning some of the requirements and the feelings about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one is space saving. Second one is food preservation. Define stage. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of the customers, may new features are added to existing products. Existing product name is Table. Futuristic product name is EcoMag Table. Ideate stage. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. First, smart connectivity allows the table to connect to smart home system, enabling voice control through assistant like Alexa or Google Home. Second, temperature control extend the food preservation features with the precise temperature control, allowing users to set specific temperature for different type of food. Third, adjustable magnetic force offers the adjustable magnetic force setting to the customize the table height or stability. Fourth, modular design the table with the interchangeable tops or enabling users to switch different surface like wooden, glass or marbles. Prototype stage. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to the constraint, the mentor advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. Testing stage. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.